Hello, this is the fifth video lecture on ray optics and optical instrument. So in this lecture we'll discuss critical angle denoted by IC and the total internal reflection is short form is TIR. Now I have taken the second case in case of Snell's law when a light ray is traveling from a denser medium to a rarer medium. Now by Snell's law, when a light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. So this is the first angle of incidence I1. The bend is bending away from the normal and gradually we are increasing the angle of incidence. So a stage will come when for a particular angle of incidence, angle of refraction is 90 degree or the light refracted ray grazes the interface. That angle is called critical angle. So critical angle is defined as that angle of incidence in the denser medium for which angle of refraction is 90 degree in the rarer medium. Now at I equal to IC, critical angle by Snell's law, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 denoted by n, which is greater than 1, is given by sin R by sin I. Sin IC. Sin I means sin IC. Because the ray is traveling from medium 2 to medium 1 and we are taking refractive index from medium 1 to medium 2. So this is equal to R equal to 90 degree at critical angle and this is sin IC. So refractive index is equal to 1 by sin IC because sin 90 degree is 1. That means IC is equal to sin inverse 1 by n. So IC and n has a reciprocal relation. More the value of IC, lesser will be n and vice versa. Now if the angle of incidence is more than the critical angle for that particular pair of media, then the ray is reflected back in the in the same medium, that is medium 2. So this is a case of reflection, but it is a special type of reflection. It is called total internal reflection. Now there are two conditions for total internal reflection, just we have studied. First condition is the light ray should travel from denser to rarer medium, and the second condition is the angle of incidence in the denser medium must be greater than the critical angle. Okay. Now let us discuss application of total internal reflection. First application is brilliance of diamond. How diamond brilliantly shines. This is, I have drawn the ray diagram. There are two factors responsible. First factor is the diamond has a high value of refractive index. It's the order of 2.42. So since the value of refractive index is high, so there is low value of critical angle. Therefore, easy total internal reflection. Second point is the faces are so cut to give multiple total internal reflection. So once a ray enters the inside the diamond, then it is multiply total internally reflected and it will come out from a single face or maximum two faces. Therefore, its intensity is very large. Now, second application is one more thing. This is how we can distinguish artificial diamond and natural diamond with the help of the first point, and why a raw diamond is not brilliantly shining. The reason is point number 2. Because unless the faces are cut properly, it will not brilliantly shine. Second application is total internal reflection prisms. Now these total internal reflection prisms have 90 degree angle as shown. I have shown three orientations of the prisms. Now since for this glass having refractive index of the order of 1.5 to 1.6, its critical angle is of the order of 45 degree. So if AB is the object and the prism is placed here like this, then it will form an image like this. That means it is 90 degree inverted. Similarly, in this orientation it is 180 degree inverted, and this is laterally shifted. So depending on the purpose of using this in the optical instrument, like in binoculars and other optical instrument, we can use different orientation. The advantage is, instead of lens, if you use a prism, then the intensity of the final image is very large, because this is total internal reflection, where the absorption of light is very less compared to refraction. Now, the third application is formation of mirage in hot regions and cold regions. So I have drawn a diagram, a mirage formation in hot regions like desert. Now, the ground, the different layers of air, depending on temperature, is divided according to different value of refractive index. As we go up, the lowermost layer is the hottest, so it will have minimum refractive index. As we go up, refractive index increases. Suppose there is a tree, a traveler is traveling in a desert, and there is a cactus type tree or the plantation which is present in desert area, is observing that tree. Now a ray of light coming from the tree is moving from denser to rarer medium. So it will bend away from the normal, and a stage will come when the critical angle of incidence between those two layers is greater than the critical angle. It is totally internally reflected. So an inverted image is formed of the tree or any object. To the mind of the observer, he will think that there must be some water, because suppose there is a pond, and at the bank of the pond there is a tree. Inverted image of the tree is formed on the water. To the mind of the observer, it will appear that since inverted image is formed, there must be some water. So the traveler searches on and on in search of water, but it is an optical illusion. That mirage is an optical illusion created by total internal reflection. Now the fourth application of total internal reflection is the optical fiber, which is a broadband device in communication. This is nothing but a two-layer tiny pipe as shown in the diagram. The inner layer is having high value of refractive index, and the outer layer is having low value of refractive index. Inner layer is say made up of quartz, high value of refractive index. The outer layer is a polyethylene, transparent polyethylene. Now a ray enters, it will be totally internally reflected because the condition is satisfied. It's traveling from denser to rarer. So ultimately the ray will come out from the other end. This has a specific property due to which, if it is bent or made a knot, the ray once enters, it will come out from the other end. That's why it is used in medical diagnosis, like in laparoscopy surgery or viewing internal organs. So this optical fiber is used.